Namaste. Today we are going to learn how to do pyramid pose, or in Sanskrit, Parsvottanasana. Doing pyramid pose can help you to stretch your hamstrings, calves and spine. Pyramid pose can also help you to strengthen your legs and ankles, improve your balance and stability. Pyramid pose can help you to calm your mind too. Pyramid pose can reduce stress and anxiety. First, start in your mountain pose. Stand tall with your feet together, hands on your waist, and slowly left foot step back about 3 to 4 feet, keeping your heels aligned. Ground your feet. Press your feet firmly into the ground, rooting yourself. Stay here. Inhale and exhale. Look in front. Slowly lift your chest up. Put your shoulder blades back, and then put your right hand and left hand together behind your back in prayer pose. Inhale and exhale. Then slowly fold yourself from the hips and start to lengthen your spine. Look in front and stay here for a few breaths first. If you are okay, then slowly bend yourself and reach your forehead to your right leg. Stay here for a few breaths. Inhale and exhale. To release from the pose, slowly inhale, lift your chest up, straighten your spine, and slowly come back. Then, hands on your hips. Press your right leg and your left leg step back to your standing position.